Hello, everyone. Today I decided I was going to show you how I put on my nails. Since we've had this coronavirus crisis, or since the pandemic's been happening, I've been talking about putting my own nails on because at some points, depending on where you live, the nail salons have been closed and no one's been able to get their nails done. So in some of my videos, I would tell you about some of the false nails that I bought from Dollar Tree, um, from Family Dollar, where you can even save money because we have such a hard time. If you're not working, you're laid off because of the pandemic, and this is an easy and affordable way to do your nails at home. I am not an expert, I have to say, but I'm going to show you how I do my nails so that my hands can look nice. Okay? I don't have nails, so they do look better if I apply nails to my hands to make them look more attractive. Okay, my daughter just recently went to the mall and she saw these nails. These nails are from Claire's in the mall, where you can get jewelry and get your ears pierced, and they have all other, different kinds of trinkets that you can buy, cute little trinkets for your kids and for adults. These nails, I looked on, I didn't ask her how much she spent for it, so I just looked it up. And they do have, an online site that you can go to. And these nails online, their regular price is $12.99. Let me show you close up. These are Claire's. She bought these because she said it reminded her of a style that she knew that I might like, so she got them. I don't know if I'm showing you upside down. So I'm trying both sides. And these are the pearls. Can you see the pretty pearls? Can you see the pretty pearls? I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, I thought they were beautiful. They are nails that I would like. So my daughter bought these for me. I'm so happy she got these for me. I'm going to show you how I apply nails. Okay, I'm going to use this. And I never use the glue from the nail kit. Some nail kits don't have glue. They don't, because sometimes I get them from Amazon, nails from Amazon, and they don't usually have the nail kit. Oh, I wanted to tell you, I forgot to mention that online these are $12.99. But right now they have them half price for $6.49 at Claire's. Okay, let me show you Claire's again. And I don't know if I'm upside down, so I'll show both sides. Claire's, okay? Okay, so I don't usually use the glue if it does come in the kit. I always use super glue from Dollar Tree. This is super glue from Dollar Tree. And it's okay to use this because it does indicate on the package. I don't have the package right now because I've been using this one for a while. But on the package it says it's for false nails also. You can use it for false nails. And usually my nails last almost 2 weeks from using the super glue. So I use that. And this is not acetone, but usually you should use acetone on your nails. I've already found what little bit of nail I have. I've already found and trimmed my nails, okay? It has to be rough so that it can grip when you're putting the nails on. So I'm just showing you that I've already done that. And it has a cuticle stick inside, and I'm gonna push the cuticles, but I'll do that off camera. I just want you to know that you can let me show you. I'll come back and show you. Let me open this up. I'm gonna fit the nails to my nails and set them all up and get them ready to go. I'll be right back. Okay, so here I am, I'm back, and these are all set up and custom to fit my nails. And the way that they turned out is that the embellished nails are going to be my middle and my ring finger. Okay, these are for on both hands. Okay, and I already filed my nails, and then I use acetone. This is a non-acetone. I don't have any acetone right now, but that works just as well. I've used it before. But you just soak it and then wash it off after filing them and making them rough. But then you push the cuticles. I use this to push all of my cuticles. Okay, pushing the cuticles opens it up, and it helps the nails to last longer. Okay, and not just that. It's just, it makes it look more natural. Okay. You can use the cuticle stick. This came in the kit. Or if you don't have a cuticle stick, you can always use the nail. Just take the nail and you can just push your cuticles up to open it up, okay? Because see how natural that looks once it's opened up and you glue it on? It looks natural, okay? So once you file your nails and use the acetone, then you want to file your nails again. I've done that already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on and show you how I put my nails on, okay? I'm just going to do it the way it's comfortable for me, okay? And it's comfortable for me to start. I'll start with this hand. Start with my ring finger. I just feel comfortable doing that. It doesn't have to be in order. And you just take this and you rub it around until it's fully covered. Okay, you can give it a little time. There's no hurry because you can give the air a little time to get it a little sticky, tacky, and then place your nail on. Make sure you press it into the cuticle. Hold it down for a minute. Then press it on both sides like that. You're pressing it down, okay? Give it time to get completely stuck on. And there you go. You can feel it starting to hold tighter, okay? Now I'm gonna do my middle finger because I'm more comfortable doing that. Okay, I'm gonna do my middle finger because I'm more comfortable doing that. And take the nail. There's no hurry. Okay. Let it get a little air before you put it on. Press it down into the cuticle. Press it down. Hold the nail. Hold the nail. Press it on either side. Press. Give it time to stick firmly. And there you go. Okay. Now I'm gonna do. Oh, you know what I did? I just made a. Oh my goodness! I just messed up. It's still gonna be the same size though, but this was supposed to be for this hand. So what I need to do is just change over. And okay, this is gonna be his hand. Okay, this was supposed to be one of these embellished, but that's all right. Okay, so this is gonna be the baby. We'll just put this over here. This is the index. That's gonna be the index. This is the big thumb. Big thumb, the baby, and we'll just make one of these the index. It's gonna be different. I completely screwed that up. But we'll just switch it. This will be the index. Okay. Okay. That will be the index in the middle. How come I need to be that? And I'm just gonna have to do this a little different. This will still be the ring finger, the middle finger, and index. Just screw that up. But that's okay. It'll still be pretty. Okay. We'll make this the index. This is the baby, and this is the thumb. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. Let me go on to my index finger. I screwed that up. Okay, anyway, there's the glue. You want to kind of just take this like a wand, rub it around. There's no hurry. I used to hurry and get all nervous trying to hurry up and get it on and end up messing it up. So that's why I'm saying no hurry. No hurry. Take your nail and you're gonna focus on pushing it down into your cuticle. Hold on to it. Press both sides. You're pressing, 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 pressing. Okay? Until you start feeling it get tight. Okay? It's getting tight. And there you go. It's still pretty. It's still gonna be pretty. Okay, so now let me do my thumb and then I'll get to my baby finger. This is the way that I do it because I'm comfortable doing that. But some people just do their 4 on one hand and then do the 4 on, or 3. Let me change that. They do the 3 on one hand and do the 3 on the other hand, and then they use these 2 hands as their operational hands. Okay? But you don't have to do that if you're not comfortable. Let me put a little more glue because I was talking. But, okay, so there's no hurry because I'll get all nervous and start rushing and mess up. And you're going to take the nail and press it into the cuticle. Press the center. Hold it. Press on each side. Press, press. Give it time. Okay? Give it time to seal. And there you go. Your nails on. Okay, there you go. Okay, now we're going to do the baby. Take my time. Okay, use this as a wand to rub it around. Take your time. There's no hurry. And take your nail. And you want it to be straight. That's another reason why you want to take your time. And then you're going to press it into the cuticle. Hold it. Hold it. Press on each side. Press, 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 press. Press in the center. Press on each side. Give it time to get stuck. To stick to your nail. And there we go. So there you go. There's your nails. Okay, there's your nails. I kind of messed up my embellishments, but they're still pretty. Okay, I'm going to go in and do my other hand, and then I will come back and show you the finished product. Okay, be right back. Okay, so here are my nails. The finished product of my nails. I think it came out pretty good. I hope you can see them. Look at my pretty nails. Thanks to my daughter. What do you think? I think it came out really nice. Very nice. There you go. My finished product. My beautiful nails. I hope you like my tutorial. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe, share, comment, and like. I need some likes because then they would recommend my video. So please like my video and subscribe. Okay? Thank you very much.